Every detail here is measured, shaped, and perfected. Because in this world, luxury is... Before it touches the ocean, a luxury yacht must earn its perfection, piece by piece, hour by hour.
This is where engineering meets art, and where luxury yachts are born.
We should extend the waterline just slightly past this frame.
That aligns with the latest CFD data on the tablet.
We need to reinforce this section here for the new stabilizer fins.
The computational fluid dynamics model shows increased drag at that point.
We need to analyze the stress points around the keel joint.
And verify the internal structure alignment with the new layout.
This one is exactly 5 millimeters thick.
Place it on the top rack, section B.
Stop, hold it right there. Coming down easy now, watch your feet. Looks aligned, locking it in.
The alignment is off here. We need a slight downward shift.
Confirmed, it looks perfectly aligned now.
Beam in position. Confirmed. Lock it down.
Reading stabilizing now.
Locked in. Balance confirmed across the grid.
Hold the left line steady. Bring it down slowly. Copy that, holding steady. Looks good, thumbs up.
The contour gauge confirms the radius is off by 2 millimeters on this section.
We need to flag this entire area for rework before it moves to paint.
The temperature is holding steady. Check the reflection on panel 4.
I think I see a slight inclusion.
All systems green, proceeding to assembly point 4. Over.
Roger that. Path is clear.
Bring it down slow, a little to the left. Hold it, easy now, right there, right there.
Are the power fluctuations stabilizing?
Yes, diagnostics complete. We are fully online. All right, easy now, watch the corner. Got it. Slow down on my side.
Make sure that's flush with the frame.
It is. The drawer mechanism is perfect.
Check the alignment against the blueprint here.
Just a slight adjustment needed for symmetry. Looks perfect now. Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side. Clear on this side, keep it coming down.
Power sequence initiated.
Deck lights online. Navigation systems responding.
The pressure in the auxiliary manifold is fluctuating.
I see it. Rerouting coolant flow now.
Radar sweep engaging, GPS resolving.
Confirmed. All navigation systems are fully operational.
Well done, team. The quality is exceptional. We have final approval.
A
After months of precision, the moment has finally arrived. Every movement measured, every detail controlled. And then the ocean accepts her. For the first time, she breathes as a vessel. Precision meets reality, and reality confirms perfection.
A final touch before the world sees her.
This is no longer a project. It is a masterpiece of engineering and luxury. Behind every masterpiece are the hands that built it.